the best way to start making a passive income as a complete beginner. You see, this seller on Fiverr made somewhere in between the $14,000 and $35,000 with creating and selling YouTube thumbnails. And the good part? You can start earning this amount too using only one AI tool. Imagine you received a gig to create a thumbnail for a YouTuber specialized in dropshipping. The first thing you need to do is search for videos with a good amount of views and analyze their thumbnails. You are going to recreate it with the same elements. Don't reinvent the wheel. To start, you head over to Pixlr.com and jump right into their AI image generator. I created this person for my thumbnail. For deleting the background, I use the background remover tool so I can easily edit how I want it to be. Next, start a project. Go to socials and select YouTube thumbnail and create your project. Now, you add your generated picture, resize until it meets your preferences, add some text into it, and overall create it according to the thumbnails you just analyzed. All by all, here is how it turned out.